Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what psychology is all about? Well, psychology is the study of mind and behavior. It's a vast field that explores how we think, feel, and act. And it's all around us, from the way we interact with others to the way we process information. Now, psychology is such a broad subject that it has been divided into many branches or subfields, each focusing on a specific aspect of mind and behavior. In this video, we will be discussing the major branches of psychology. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first branch is biological psychology. As the name suggests, biological psychologists study the biological basis of behavior. They explore how our genes, brain structure, and neurochemistry influence our thoughts, feelings, and actions. For example, they might study how changes in brain activity are related to changes in mood. The next branch is cognitive psychology. Cognitive psychologists study mental processes like memory, attention, and decision-making. They use experiments to understand how we process information and solve problems. For example, they might study how people make decisions under risk or how they remember words in different contexts. The third branch is developmental psychology. Developmental psychologists study how people change over their lifespan, from how we learn language as children to how our personalities change over time. They might also study how our experiences in childhood and adolescence affect our adult lives. The fourth branch is social psychology. This branch focuses on how people think about, influence, and relate to one another. Social psychologists might study topics like conformity, obedience, and prejudice. They often conduct experiments to see how people's behavior changes in different social situations. The fifth branch is personality psychology. This field is dedicated to understanding what makes each of us unique. Personality psychologists study the patterns of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that make us who we are. They develop theories and measures to help us understand our own personalities and those of others. The sixth branch is clinical psychology. Clinical psychologists are the ones who help people deal with mental health issues like depression or anxiety. They use therapy and other techniques to help people change their thoughts and behaviors and improve their mental health. The seventh branch is educational psychology. Educational psychologists study how people learn in school and other settings. They work with teachers and administrators to develop effective teaching methods and interventions. Finally, there is forensic psychology. This branch applies psychological principles to legal issues. Forensic psychologists might work in criminal investigations or in courts. So these are some of the major branches of psychology. Each one offers a unique perspective on the complexity of human mind and behavior. Which branch of psychology interests you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.